Shabbat Shalom, family, and aloha from the Hawaiian Islands. This is your sister Chaya, and it's just before midnight here in Maui. So it's already, AM for the East Coast and most of you all in the USA. In my newsroom, I just came across some breaking Melchizedek news in regards to a 7.7 earthquake that rocked Myanmar in Thailand, causing even a high-rise building in Bangkok to collapse. So I want to show you all some footage from this current and ongoing situation. There have been many strong aftershocks that have also been felt. So let's say some prayers for our brothers and sisters across the world. Oh. So as you can see, it's a serious situation that's going on over there in Thailand. Let's continue to pray. I'll be back later today with a recap of the headlines for the week, and also to give you all some heads up, those that are in the mainland USA, about the upcoming storms for this weekend. As a matter of fact, as I come on the air, there is some catastrophic flooding that is happening right now in southern Texas, and this is supposed to get worse in the next 24 hours. But here is some footage from Fox Weather. So it's definitely coming down, and they're expecting some catastrophic flooding. That would be in areas close to, I believe it's Corpus Christi, Texas, some other areas. But we're going to talk about that later today. And we're also going to talk about the states that are going to be impacted this weekend with these storms.
This is what we're really going to focus on as we head into Sunday, because that threat that we have today, don't really want to get it confused with what St. Louis and even Kansas City could be dealing with again on Sunday, which would mark the third weekend in a row of them seeing storms, which kind of stinks.
Yes, family. Severe tornado threats from many parts of the country that have already took, such big hits over the last few weeks. So I'll be back to keep you posted on that, as well as some other developing headlines. And I'll see you then. I'm saying good night because it's just midnight here in Maui. I'll see you all later today. Mahalo and shalom.